True Juice twice came from behind to hold Meadforest to a 2-2 draw in the JFF Tier 2 Championship at the Belchong Complex on Saturday. It took 9 minutes for Meadforest to take the lead. Fabiki Farquharson got the go-ahead goal. However, True Juice fought back in the 18th minute to pull level through Leon Reynolds. Before the half could finish, Meadforest were in front again, Justin Powell with the go-ahead goal, and that was in the 43rd minute. They were on the brink of victory when True Juice hit back 7 minutes into stoppage time with Elvis Wilson scoring. It was the second time this season that the two teams have failed to beat each other.
We're not coming out on the training ground, and we come out today and we show guts and we fight. But it's one of them days, a last minute goal score on us, and we have to just build on that going forward.
We gave Meadforest the 2 goals that they have created, but nonetheless we stuck in and we showed resilience in the end and we equalized. Not a good performance, neither the result that we would anticipate, but nonetheless we're still unbeaten and we're going to be focused, and our aim is to reach the Premier League. So the aim is to continue to train hard and work together so that we can reach our ultimate goal.
Bryan scored a hat-trick as New Kingston FC beat Boys Town 3-1 in Zone B action of the Ray and Neville Casafa Major League on Saturday. Also in the group, Barbican and Augustown ended 1-1, while it was 0-0 between Brownstown and Seaview Gardens. Over in Zone B, Corville Gardens scored the biggest win on the day, beating Red Hills United 4-1. Doheny Park outscored Shortwood United 3-2, while Constant Spring clipped Olympic Gardens 1-0.